buy citric acid and stating to the shopkeeper that actually it was for his sister for cooking. Tanvir Hussain asking for syringes, and when asked which type, he said the large ones. Whilst we didn't know exactly what they were actually doing, it was clearly not normal activity.
A significant turning point in the investigation came when, for the first time, we saw Ali go to Forestburg in Walthamstow. This was a new property. We hadn't seen it before in the investigation. We didn't know what the significance of it was. But then over time we saw that several other members of the network were going there on a regular basis as well.
Ahmed Ali Khan and Tanvir Hussain on one occasion left the address with a bag. They were monitored on their route to Lloyd Park, which was nearby. They had walked far enough away from their premises